So where is the story you have written? Let me know. Where is the story? You send it again in the group. Hmm. So Tia, I want to say that you have only 3 months duration, no? 3 months. Within 3 months, you want to get no all the works and all the your speaking fluency should come within 3 months. For 3 months, you have come here, no? But if it goes more than 3 months, then will you? Is it possible for you to come in the session? Yeah, okay, no problem. At least 3 months, you see how much you are getting improved. One thing, and next one is try to attend the session as far as possible. Hmm. It is really uh, important for you to attend the session regular basis. Okay. Hmm. Okay, now I am reading this one. I have to say, Tia. Tia, are you there? You send in the group, Tia. Oh, okay. I think you sent in the group. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tia, one thing you just keep it down. If I say here something is you have to just make it correction, you just do it. And after that, your correction should be like that so that you can't make the same mistake when you will be writing again any topic. आपको मैं आज ठीक करके दूंगी कि क्या यहाँ से क्या होता है। कोशिश करूंगी कि आपको समझ में भी आ जाए। कोशिश करूंगी ठीक करने की। पर ये एक कोशिश मेरी पर आपसे मेरी ये उम्मीद रहेगी कि जो गलती आप आज करोगे और सीखोगे उससे, उससे आप कभी दोबारा दोहराओगे नहीं। नई गलती करना है, पर पुराना गलती को दोहराना नहीं है। ठीक है? क्योंकि हम लोगों के पास वक़्त बहुत कम होता है और उस कम समय में हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सीखना होगा। अगर हम एक ही गलती को बार-बार करते रहें तो वक़्त बीतता चला जाएगा और हम वही के वही रह जाएँगे। We should take initiative of making one mistake just one time, not to repeat it. If we repeat, then we can't learn new things, and we shall be on the stage where we were. Okay, that is the thing. So always remind in mind, jab bhi, not in the session only, whenever you are working or where you are learning, just try to be attentive and not to do that same mistake again, so that you can do another new mistake and you can learn from that mistake and not to do that again. That is to be your focus. That is to be all of us, our all of us focus. Right, Tia? Right, Kajal? Right, Shikha? Hmm. Okay, very good. So now all of you just remind in this page, just this page you just click it, make it zoom, and just watch it. Where is the mistake is going? Is there? Where is the correction is there or everything? So whenever I will give you again any topic to write, I will check whether you are doing the same mistake or you are working on the new mistake. That is the thing. Okay, let's start. When I went to the ninth, I changed my school, and then I felt like I am never exist, and no one asked me because everyone was already studying there, and everyone was in a group, and I did not know how to get into this school. I changed my school, then. I felt like I am never exist there. I I am not. Whenever you write anything, anything you about yourself in the past, you are writing. So whenever you are writing anything about the thing, about a story, about yourself, you are writing for the past days what happened. So past means was will be there, where will be there, past tense form of the verb will be there. There will be no am, there will be no is, there will be no are. First stage. Okay, remember this. Now you see, I changed my school and I felt like I did not exist, or I was never existed, or I was never in exist, or I was not in exist. I was not in exist. That means I was not exist. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं तो वहां थी ही नहीं, मतलब मुझे कोई पूछ नहीं रहा था, सब कोई अपने पढ़ाई में बिजी थे, सब कोई आपका आपका अपना अपना ग्रुप था, तो सब कोई अपने पढ़ाई में अपने आप में बिजी थे। तो मैं यहाँ पे आ गई तो आके मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे कोई, मतलब मैं जैसे अचानक से कहाँ आ गई। दैट इज द थीम आई थिंक यू वांना मेक श्योर, राइट टिया? हेलो टिया, आर यू देयर? What happened? Hello, Tia. Don't make your mic unmute. Just keep it mute. Just just talk to me. Don't keep it mute, dear. Just talk to me. Otherwise, yeah, you can't be knowing what is that, because you should respond me. Hello. Hello. I am really good. Wow, how was your exam, Karan? What was the subject? Why? Which subject? Which exam you were preparing? Oh, okay. Okay, now Tia, hello Tia, are you there? You just watch this one. Otherwise, how can you understand? You came here to make me sure that she's left. I think network issue is there. Okay, remaining all of you, just listen to it. The you just click the story what Tia has sent in the group, and then you just zoom it. And now what I am asking you for to change or no, just you know it. And after that, if she comes, you should make her understand, or you should make her comprehend that these are the changes are there. I changed my school, then I felt like I was नॉट इन एग्जिस्ट। इन पास्ट टेंस, जब भी हम पास्ट टेंस में कुछ बोलेंगे तो एम का बात आएगा ही नहीं। एम इज आर ये सब आएंगे नहीं, सब कुछ was एंड verb will be the past form. That is one thing. Next you see, I did not know how to get into this school. After crying, I school any I Oh yes, I solved any question, and from the face of my education. What is that? After crying, I solved my question, and from the face of my education. Mm, it is not that much. It is a bit confusing, not that much transparent. Okay, today I am afraid to. Kita, what is that? To speak. I have learned from you that if you work hard, then nothing will ever happen. If we work hard, then nothing will ever happen. No, nothing will stop us to make improve, to get success, like that. It is the thing. What she was trying to write, that was incomplete in this writing. She should be there. She ought to be there. Okay. Okay, I am telling you what should be the answer of this paragraph. You please write down and just send in the group. Okay, please write down. When I went to the third, ninth, ninth standard, when I went to the ninth standard, or when I was in the ninth standard, when I was in the ninth standard, are you writing? All of you writing? All of you are writing? Karan? Karan, Kajal, what happened to others? Why they are not responding? Are you writing? Yes. Where are you? What are you doing? Okay. Okay. So, Kajal and Sika, you please write down. Okay. Yeah. I changed when I was in the ninth standard. When to know you write was. When I was in the ninth standard, I changed my school, and then I felt like I was not in exist. And no one asked me from where I am, who I am. Sorry. From where I was, who I was. Because everyone was already studying there. And everyone was in a group, and I didn't know how to get into the school. स्कूल एनवायरमेंट स्कूल का जो वातावरण है उसमें कैसे घुल मिल जाने का जो पॉलिसी है वो मुझे पता नहीं था.